As you all know that we have studied the first chapter, the fun they had. We have studied the fun they had, and we also have studied the very first poem of this book, The Road Not Taken. Now we are going to study the second chapter of this book, The Sound of Music, which has been divided into two parts. The first part is about Evelyn Glennie listens to sound without hearing it, and the second part is the maestro Bismillah Khan, which we will discuss later after finishing the very first part of this book. Evelyn Glennie listens to sound without hearing it. Actually, in this chapter you will see the two great personalities which were disabled. Being disabled, they both created history just by discovering themselves, the quality which has been given to them by God. In the same way, this lesson teaches us we should not discourage, we should not be hopeless, we should think again and again and try to cope up with the difficulties which has been given by God or we are surrounded with. Once you get disappointed, you will not able to achieve anything in your life. The first step is to take you yourself, because no one is going to help you until or unless you help yourself. In this chapter, all these things are discussed. So let's start. Before you read, now see, God may have taken her hearing, but He has given her back something extraordinary. गॉड ने तो उससे कुछ छीन लिया, गॉड ने तो उससे कोई चीज़ छीन ली, लेकिन उसके बदले उसने एवलिन ग्लेनी को एक एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी एबिलिटी दी, और उस एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी एबिलिटी को रिकॉग्नाइज करके, आइडेंटिफाई करके ही एवलिन ग्लेनी ने एक इतिहास रचा। और इतिहास रचने के बाद आप देख सकते हैं कि इस लड़की का नाम इस किताब में दिया हुआ है, इसको आज हम स्टडी कर रहे हैं। ओके, व्हाट वी हियर शी फील्स, जिस चीज को हम सुनते हैं, आसपास की जो आवाजें जो हमें सुनाई देती हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ आवर ईयर, अपने कानों से हम सुनते हैं, जिस आवाज़ को हम अपने कानों से सुनते हैं, एवलिन ग्लेनी के अंदर वो एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी एबिलिटी जो गॉड ने दी थी वो फील करने की, बिकॉज शी वॉज डेफ, बट शी वॉज नॉट डेफ बॉर्न, शी बिकेम डेफ ग्रेजुअली, धीरे धीरे वो डेफ हुई। फॉर मोर डीपली देन एनी ऑफ अस, जिस चीज़ को अपने कानों से सुनते हैं वो महसूस करती है, और वो भी हमसे कहीं अच्छी तरह से, बहुत अच्छी तरह से वो फील कर लेती है। जितनी अच्छी तरह से हम अपने कानों से सुन नहीं सकते, उससे कहीं अच्छी तरह से वो महसूस कर लेती थी चीज़ों को, जो उसके आसपास चीज़ें अकर होती थी, घटित होती थी। That's why she expresses music so beautifully, और यही वो रीज़न है जो म्यूज़िक को बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से एक्सप्रेस करती थी पब्लिक के सामने, ऑडियंस के सामने, एम्फी थिएटर्स में। Now see, read the following account of a person who fought against a physical disability and made her life a success story. We are going to study a success story of Evelyn Lady, how she came over her physical ability and defeated her physical ability, her lackness. Now see the first paragraph. Rush or crowds jostle for position on the underground train platform. A slight girl looking younger than her 17 years was nervous yet excited as she felt the vibration of the approaching train. It was the scene of a platform where lots of people were there, and it was underground platform. It was an underground platform where lots of people were there, and there was a slightly thin. There was a thin girl looking younger than her 17 years. Actually, she was 17 years old, but she was looking younger. 17 साल की तो वो थी, लेकिन वो उससे भी कम दिख रही थी. Was nervous yet excited. Nervous भी थी, excited भी थी, because it was her first journey. She was going to somewhere. We shall discuss here. We shall see where she was going. She was a little bit nervous, a little bit excited. वो थोड़ी nervous भी थी, excited भी थी, and she felt the vibration of the approaching train. और वो आती हुई ट्रेन की वाइब्रेशंस को फील कर रही थी, महसूस कर रही थी. जैसा कि मैंने बताया कि गॉड ने तो उसकी हियरिंग पावर को उसे स्नैच कर लिया, बट ही गेव समथिंग वेरी एक्स्ट्रॉर्डनरी थिंग, एंड दैट वाज द सेंसेशन, दैट वाज द फीलिंग. It was her first day at the prestigious Royal Academy of Music in London, and daunting enough for any teenager fresh from a Scottish home. Actually, she was going to attend the very first class at the prestigious Royal Academy of Music, which was in London. लंदन में एक एकेडमी था और उस एकेडमी का नाम था prestigious Royal Academy of Music, and she was going there to attend the very first class. And daunting enough for any teenager. Actually, she was frightened. She was a little bit nervous. वो frightened थी, nervous थी, जब उस क्लास को अटेंड करने के लिए जब वो जा रही थी. And she was alone. अकेली भी थी. There was no one there to support her, except her shadow. And she was from a Scottish girl. She was from Scotland, और वो स्कॉटलैंड से थी. उसको इतनी फ्रीडम नहीं थी, उसको इतनी आज़ादी नहीं थी, उसने दुनिया को इतना देखा नहीं था, ऑब्जर्व नहीं किया था. That's why she was getting scared while boarding into the train. But this aspiring musician faced a bigger challenge than most. Aspiring musician, as the meaning of this word is given, a person who wants to be a musician. She wants to be a musician. She wants to be a musician. But this aspiring musician faced a bigger challenge. She faced a lot of challenge in her life to be a musician. And she was profoundly deaf. She was completely deaf. As you all know that being deaf it's not easy to achieve something. And tomorrow I will discuss the rest of this chapter. Thank you very much.